In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate text on a Wix website. This is a really helpful skill to have if you're looking to add some dynamic flair to your site. Text rotation can be a great way to draw attention to important elements or give your design a unique twist. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by accessing the Wix website editor. You can do this by navigating to the Wix website and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, open the specific website where you want to make these changes by clicking on the site from your dashboard. The Wix website editor is where all the magic happens, presenting you with a canvas and various tools needed to design your site effectively. Next, on the editing canvas, look for the text element that you want to rotate. This is typically where you'll find text boxes, but you can also locate it in the toolbar. Simply click on the text element you wish to change. This action will activate the text settings, making additional options available for you to modify the appearance and layout. Now, with the text highlighted, it's time to rotate it. You're going to look for a rotation arrow or handle on the text box. It depends on which version of the editor you're using, but you should see an icon that looks like a circular arrow close to the border of the text box. Click and hold this rotation handle and start moving your mouse in the direction you wish to rotate the text. You'll notice the text beginning to spin and change its orientation as you drag the handle. Release the handle once you're satisfied with the angle. If you need to highlight the text, you'll click on the text box, and it should automatically be highlighted. After this, look at the site's editing options to further customize the text as needed. If needed, adjust the color, font, or size so it still stands out in the way you desire. You're almost there, but you're probably wondering about the double highlight step. Simply repeat the highlighting action to ensure the text is properly selected and highlighted for editing. Confirm everything looks exactly as you intend before moving on to the next element. And there you have it, rotating text on your Wix website. It's really that simple. This versatile skill can transform a plain website into something that captures attention and leaves a lasting impression. Remember, the key to a great design is combining functionality with creativity, and mastering these small but impactful features goes a long way. If you found this guide useful, make sure to explore the additional options Wix offers, and don't hesitate to experiment with different designs to make your website truly yours. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!